Bringing peace with technology, U.S. Stryker combat vehicles reinforced for missions in the Middle East. In a bid to strengthen peace missions in a complex region like the Middle East, the United States military is taking a major step by equipping additional Stryker combat vehicles with specialized equipment packages. This move is not just about enhancing combat capabilities, but also about bringing in advanced technology to support broader peace objectives. The Middle East is known for its unique complexity in the context of security and conflict. With a variety of evolving threats, ranging from insurgency threats to terrorist attacks, the adaptation of combat vehicles has become an urgent necessity. The additional equipment installed on Stryker vehicles will help U.S. military personnel to more effectively meet these challenges in the field. This specialized equipment package is specifically designed to meet the needs of peace missions in the Middle East. It includes updated communication systems, emergency medical equipment, sentry sensors, and other defense gear. By installing this equipment, Stryker vehicles are better equipped to support peace and law enforcement operations in the region. One of the main focuses of this upgrade was to improve the vehicle's protection and mobility. With the addition of armor and active defense systems, Stryker can provide additional protection to its personnel when in dangerous terrain. On the other hand, increased mobility will allow the vehicle to operate more effectively in the various terrain conditions faced in the Middle East. This move reflects the U.S. military's strategic adaptation to the evolving challenges in the global operational environment. By integrating the latest technologies into combat vehicles like the Stryker, they are demonstrating a commitment to remain a resilient and responsive force on the modern battlefield. More than just a military upgrade, this move also has broader implications in promoting stability and security in the Middle East. By having superior combat capabilities, U.S. military personnel can be more effective in supporting peacekeeping efforts, providing humanitarian assistance and combating regionally destabilizing threats. The Stryker combat vehicle upgrade also reflects the U.S. commitment to strengthening partnerships with regional allies in the Middle East. By providing better tools to support joint operations, the U.S. is strengthening their strategic relationships with countries in the region, creating a firmer foundation for long-term security and stability.